Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the gaming performance of CarX Street on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now in today's video, I will play CarX Street on all the graphics with the maximum frame rate supported. Now currently the battery percentage is at 71% and the battery temperature is at 31.3 degrees Celsius. Now the Samsung Galaxy A26 supports CarX to the maximum graphics quality at 6. Now first of all, I will play CarX at 2 and we will set the frame rate at no limits. Now the gaming performance of CarX at level 2 graphics settings is pretty good. I did not face any lag or any frame rate drop while playing the game. And the temperature of the smartphone is normal. Now let's increase the graphics to level 4. And we will set the frame rate at no limits. Now the gaming performance of CarX at level 4 graphics settings is pretty good. I did not face any lag while playing this game, but I felt some frame rate drop while playing this game at level 4 graphics. Now let's increase the graphics to level 6 and set the frame rate to no limits. Now the gaming performance of CarX at level 6 graphics settings is pretty good. I did not face any lag while playing the game, but I felt some frame rate drops. And as you can see, the battery percentage is currently at 67% and the battery temperature is at 31.3 degrees Celsius. And this is the gaming performance of CarX Street on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.